Alright guys, so here's what we're working with today. We'll start with the GYEON Tire Cleaner, then hit the wheels with the wheel cleaner, then prep the wheels for the GYEON RIM, which is their ceramic coating. And they sent me an assortment of towels. We've got the soft wipe and then the bald wipe. So let's get started. Alright, these tires are brand spanking new, but we're going to hit it with the tire cleaner anyway. It's got some of that lubricant residue that they use when they mount the tire onto the wheel. So the tire cleaner says rinse the wheel well, spray a moderate amount of cleaner on the tire surface, agitate with the brush, let dwell, do not let it dry on the surface, rinse well. Alright, so next up we've got the GYEON wheel cleaner. For this it says shake well, apply on a cool pre-washed wheel, let it work for 2 to 4 minutes, but don't let it dry, agitate the product with a wheel mitt or brush, rinse heavily. Okay, so at this point, let's go ahead and dry the wheel and tire. Okay, now we're gonna hit it with the GYEON Prep. It's a strong degreaser. It says shake well, apply liberally, and wipe off with a microfiber cloth. We're gonna try to soft wipe some GYEON. All right, let's do the barrel. All right, these wheels are ready to be coated. All right, guys, so we have the GYEON RIM ceramic coating for wheels. I've been told to start with the barrel and work your way towards the face of the wheel since that's the part that you'll be looking at. So this is the GYEON Bald Wipe. I'm going to use it for when I wipe off the ceramic coating on the barrel of the wheel. Okay, since we've prepped the surface, it says to shake the bottle well. Use one of the applicator pads. It comes with 4 since you need to do 4 wheels. Put drops on here and apply a thick layer and wipe it off immediately. I'll do half and then the other half. So that's it. Let's do the other half of the barrel and then work the back of the spokes. So I decided to go down the barrel onto the back of the spokes like this. So I'm gonna flip the microfiber applicator cloth the other way for the front. I'm thinking the easiest way would be through the middle, then the spokes, and then the outer rim. You guys be sure to work in a very ventilated area. The chemical smells are very strong. And I've pulled out the brand new soft wipe for this front face. I'll start with the inside, wipe it off, and then do the front. All right, let's do this half now. Okay, so right now we're done with the ceramic coating. I'll give it 24 hours to cure. So this was the driver's side rear wheel. So I'll go ahead and wash the passenger rear, and then tomorrow I can compare the brake dust. I can also see how it washes off with just the pressure washer. On the uncoated wheel to the left, you can see how easily the water sticks to the surface. On the coated wheel to the right, the water is having a hard time sticking to the surface. You see it sliding right off in large beads. At any flat surface where there is water that accumulated, the water is in the shape of a bead that will easily be removed with some air pressure. When applying some air with the leaf blower, you can see that the coated wheel has a much easier time removing any water sitting on its surface. Whereas on the uncoated wheel, you can see the air pressure kind of spreads the water across the surface and it leaves like a streak before it needs a lot more air to dry. This is my first time ceramic coating a wheel, so it makes me even more happy with the way it turned out. I was always a bit nervous about ceramic coating wheels. I wasn't sure if it would mess up the raised anodized bronze finish. I highly recommend this product. Check it out, guys. It was really easy. Keep your wheels safe from tar, oils, and chemicals on the road, and just make it overall easier to clean.